Hello everyone, this is Aida Kolami from AgriMetSoft Research Company, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a bar graph using Excel. So you can see here I have two types of data. One of them is the date in my first column and the other is the runoff in the second column. You can have any other values in data that you have. Then I simply go to Insert tab and click on a column or bar chart. Here you can see there are lots of different charts. If I just wait on each of them, I can see a preview of my data graphed, and for example, I want this 2D column chart, or if I right click on that, I can go to change chart type and go to bar chart and click on any of this. Okay, now here you can see that my date is on y-axis and the values are in x-axis. So another options I have here is if I just click on this positive it is plus option, I can see chart elements. So for example, I can tick off the grid lines, then I don't have any grid lines. I can tick the legend, so I can see which data am I watching. And then also I can go to chart styles, and then I can see the colors. I can change the color to any desired one. Then I can go to style and change the style of these charts. So that's it for today's video. I hope you all learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to AgriMetSoft channel. I will see you in the next video, and bye.